The soft autumn color palette is all about muted warmth, like nature pausing to exhale, but within it, there's a hidden gem, the whispering wheat palette, a trio of earthy neutrals that bring the same organic serenity with a touch of modern lightness. Let's explore the soft autumn color palette meets whispering wheat, warm and airy neutral haven. Golden Haze is soft autumn's golden hour captured in paint. It works great on walls or sofas. It's neither yellow nor beige, but that perfect in-between glow that makes rooms feel bathed in dawn light. Where most soft autumn palettes lean warm, dusty olive as a whisper of gray-green, like sun-dried herbs. It's the grounding force, ideal for kitchens or dining rooms, craving organic depth without gloom. Every soft autumn space needs this ethereal neutral. Milk silk is your secret weapon. It softens bold accents like terracotta or sage and makes small rooms feel airy. Nature's neutrals perfected. Think curtains, rugs, or that cloud-like sofa you'll never want to leave. The Whispering Wheat palette is soft autumn simplified. It's warmer than grayish, lighter than traditional earth tones. Which of these hues will you try first? Let me know below. Keep in mind that you can download these and other free PDF palettes on my site. Just click the link in the description. If you like this sort of video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more ways to live beautifully in every season. Until next time, season your home with seasonal colors.